Have you ever felt like your entire world is crumbling around you? Like no matter what you do, everything seems to be going wrong? In this video, we'll reveal 15 powerful strategies to turn your life around when it feels like it's falling apart. If you don't watch, you might miss out on the surprising connection between iron deficiency and depression, or how a simple daily routine can completely transform your outlook. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets to rebuilding your life from the ground up. 1. Revitalize your body. The physical reset. Prioritize your physical health through regular exercise and movement. Get your blood flowing by hitting the gym or taking daily walks. This physical reset will help flush out stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and boost your overall mood. For example, studies have shown that even a 30-minute walk can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. 2. Master your sleep. The power of sleep hygiene. Establish a consistent sleep schedule to optimize your body's natural rhythms. Going to bed and waking up at the same time daily can dramatically improve your energy levels and mental clarity. Consider the case of successful entrepreneurs like Jeff Bezos, who prioritize sleep and maintain strict bedtime routines to enhance their productivity and decision-making abilities. 3. Embrace nature. The healing touch of the outdoors. Reconnect with nature by spending time outside in green spaces. Expose yourself to sunlight, breathe in fresh air, and ground yourself by walking barefoot on grass or sand. Research has shown that forest bathing, a practice popular in Japan, can lower cortisol levels and improve overall well-being. 4. Nourish your body. The nutrient connection. Address potential nutrient deficiencies that may be impacting your mental health. Consider getting blood work done to identify any imbalances and supplement accordingly. For instance, a 2018 study in Japan found a strong correlation between iron deficiency and depression, with many participants experiencing significant improvements after increasing their iron intake. 5. Stop the bleeding. Halting destructive patterns. Identify and cease any behaviors or decisions that are exacerbating your current situation. This might mean cutting ties with toxic relationships, stopping unnecessary spending, or avoiding risky financial decisions. Take inspiration from successful individuals like Warren Buffett, who famously advises against throwing good money after bad investments. 6. Focus on essentials. The power of simplicity. Narrow your focus to only the most crucial aspects of your life. Avoid starting new projects or taking on additional responsibilities. Instead, concentrate on survival and waiting out the storm. This approach is similar to the minimalist lifestyle adopted by many successful people, allowing them to direct their energy towards what truly matters. 7. Establish a routine. The framework for success. Create a daily routine that provides structure and predictability to your life. Start your day with activities that jog your mind and set a positive tone. Many successful individuals like Tim Cook and Oprah Winfrey swear by their morning routines as the foundation for their productivity and success. 8. Leverage your support system. The power of connection. Reach out to friends and family for emotional support and guidance. True friendships can provide a sounding board and offer valuable perspectives during challenging times. Consider the story of J.K. Rowling, who credits her close friends for supporting her through periods of depression and financial struggle before her success with Harry Potter. 9. Self-reflection. The journey inward. Take time for honest self-reflection to understand what led to your current situation. Identify patterns, red flags, and decisions that contributed to your struggles. This process of self-awareness is similar to the practice of successful leaders like Ray Dalio, who emphasizes the importance of radical honesty and self-analysis in personal and professional growth. 10. Cut the dead weight. Lightening your load. Let go of people, possessions, or commitments that are holding you back. This might involve difficult decisions like ending relationships or quitting unfulfilling jobs. Many successful entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs have made tough choices to streamline their lives and focus on what truly matters. 11. Rekindle. Joy. Rediscovering your passions. Revisit old hobbies or interests that once brought you happiness. Reconnect with activities that spark joy and creativity in your life. For example, billionaire Richard Branson credits his success partly to maintaining a balance between work and play, often engaging in adventurous activities to recharge. 12. Seek professional help. The power of expertise. Don't hesitate to consult professionals such as therapists, coaches, or financial advisors. Their expertise can provide valuable insights and strategies for overcoming your challenges. Many successful individuals like Michael Phelps and Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson have openly discussed the benefits of therapy in their personal and professional lives. 13. Adjust your life's difficulty settings, redefining success. Reassess your goals and expectations to ensure they align with your values and current situation. Remember that success and happiness don't always require expert-level achievements in every area of life. Consider the story of successful entrepreneur Derek Sivers, who sold his company to focus on a simpler, more fulfilling lifestyle. 14. Process your emotions. The healing power of grief. Allow yourself to feel and process your emotions fully. Bottling up feelings can lead to long-term negative consequences. Find healthy outlets for expression, such as journaling, art, or music. Many successful artists like Adele have channeled their emotional experiences into creative works that resonate with millions. 15. Gain perspective. The long view. Zoom out and consider your current struggles in the context of your entire life journey. Remember past challenges you've overcome and have confidence in your ability to persevere. This perspective shift is similar to the mindset of resilient entrepreneurs like Arianna Huffington, who view setbacks as opportunities for growth and learning. By implementing these 15 strategies, you can begin to rebuild your life and find a path forward, even in the darkest of times. Remember, every successful person has faced moments of despair and uncertainty. If you're intrigued about a lifestyle of financial freedom and personal growth, keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to get there, and what surprises may lay in store for you along the way. Don't forget to click the link in the description for additional resources to support your journey towards a better life.